Hello everyone, I'm Rudy and you are watching Haiti Eats. Today we are making spaghetti smoked herring pasta. To start, you need desalted smoked herring that are roughly chopped, shallots, onions, chopped parsley, cloves, scotch bonnet pepper, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, oil, épices, and black pepper to taste, and about half cup of water. And of course your pasta, the pasta of your choice. To start, I add oil to a hot pan, then I fry the desalted smoked herring until golden for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Add the tomato paste with a little bit of water to dilute it and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I personally like to brown my tomato paste, but I couldn't in this case because I use a non-stick pan. I totally forgot, but it is what it is. Add water as needed. At this point, I'm straining the juice that I get from the 2 tomatoes that I chopped, because in a Haitian kitchen you don't ever throw away anything unless it's necessary, but that's completely optional. Then I add the chopped tomatoes with half of the parsley, the scotch bonnet pepper, the cloves, and the shallots. I add about a 1/4 cup of water and I cover it up and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the tomatoes soften. Add épices with the onions and mix well. At this point, it's ready to serve. You can eat this with bread, plantain, or over rice. I cooked the pasta according to the package, but I used the parsley stems and I seasoned the water with salt and a little bit of black pepper. Once the pasta is cooked, I remove it directly from the pot to the pan, and if the pasta look a little dry, just use a little bit from the water that the pasta cooked in. Alright, and then I add the chopped parsley and it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and also visit my website. I know there's not much on there right now, but I'm working really hard, I'm working really hard to get this website going. Thank you all for all your support and happy Thanksgiving. Happy holiday. Bye bye now. Bien manger. Bye bye.